times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. You're one of my little doll babies. So I'm actually filming these two videos together. I am doing a review of Vivica A. Fox's as a subscriber request, but I also wanted to review this right here. So you're going to see me start with this wig, which is also a Vivica A. Fox sister company, Amore Mio, and this is Fajar, okay? And there's going to be a review up on her. But I wanted to review these, so I'm going to just do them in together. So you're going to see me start here and then go into Bree. So yes, you're seeing me change, and that's why. So I got these silicone wig grips just to check them out and see like what's up. It says it's for wig, sports, or yoga. Like what? Okay. And I got it from Amazon for $11.99. It comes with 4 different silicone wig grips, and then also it came with a bunch of wig caps. So it came with a tan one, a black one. There's 2 wig caps each, and dark brown, and then a light. So every color there is, see, and it coordinates, I guess, with the color of wig grip. So that's kind of nice. And then it came with these 4, ooh, ew, weird. It came with these 4 wig grips.
Yeah, they're very crazy.
Alrighty, Roo. Let's just take this off, and then I'm going to show you how I put it on, and I'm going to put Bree on. I'm going to get her together, and then I'll come back and let you know what I think. So that's how we're going to do it. So, okay, let's see what happens. I actually put this one back on because the other one I couldn't take the bangs. You know how I am with bangs. Like these ones I can take, the other ones I couldn't. So I put this back on. But so this is very interesting. I do feel like it's secure, okay? It has like ridges on both sides, so inside or the outside, so it doesn't really matter which side. So that's nice as well. My one concern is just I am a migraine sufferer, and it does feel it feels good. It doesn't feel overly tight. I just feel like over time, with plus the wig on, it's gonna be too much. So I need to test this a little bit more and see how long I can wear it. I have a program that I have to do for work tonight, so maybe I'll wear it with my wig and see how long I can wear it for. I'm already telling you it's feeling a little bit tight, so that's good. If you want something that's going to be secure and snug, that's going to be great. But if you're a migraine sufferer, I'm not sure. This one, it's adjustable, so I can kind of adjust it so that it's tight enough but not too tight. So that's my only qualm with this. But other than that, it feels good. It feels comfortable. It slides on easy. I didn't have any issues as far as that was concerned. My only concern is just like, is this going to give me migraine? Okay, so I've had this wig grip on for about 2-ish hours, and I would say it's a little bit snug. I think that it would be good for someone if you have need for a smaller wig cap, then it's going to be good for you. I think if you have very little to no hair, it'd be really good for you, but it is a little bit more snug. So if you have an issue with some of these wig grips, even on the tightest setting, may not be good enough depending on what wig grip you have, or it may not be comfortable, because the tighter you get, then it's going to, you know, like this material is going to end up doubling up. So if that's a problem for you, or you just don't really like these velvet ones, I think these silicone ones they're good. They're going to work. I just think that if you struggle with issues of like getting migraines and things, like if your wigs are too tight or your wig caps are too tight, and you get a migraine, I would probably skip the silicone wig grip. But if you have an issue where you don't find a comfortable wig grip, or it doesn't seem to be, you know, tight enough, or like I said, if you don't have hair, or if you have very little hair, the silicone wig grip might be the better choice. So that is my final thoughts. So that's what I have for you for this review. If there's any other wig grips that you would like me to review, go ahead and put that down below. I'll create a playlist and connect it down below, because I have reviewed a few other wig grips, so I'll put that all in one playlist for you, so you can kind of check out and compare and contrast. Compare and contrast? Yeah. Compare and contrast. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next, what am I doing? I'll see you in my next video. Bye.